Hi everybody, this is Jordan over at JEM Pro's Design Marketing Group. We're going to do a tutorial here for you today on how to add your own information to one of our invitations that we have up on the website through Microsoft Word. And how we're going to do that is, first we're going to go to our browser, so go to whatever your browser is. It could be Internet Explorer, Safari, Chrome, and let's go to the website, jempro.com. There it is. When you get to JEM Pro, we're going to navigate over to Getting Started, Launch Parties, and then down over to Party Documents, which then you'll see down there at the bottom is Invitations. So we're going to click on Invitations. Alright, now invitations, this is obviously to help you consultants to invite your friends, family, whoever you may know to your parties. And we've designed some very attractive, cute looking invites that we have up on the website for you to download and to put in your information. Now you can download these and you can handwrite them, or you can do what we're going to show you today, which is you can put it into Microsoft Word and insert your own text. So first off, we're going to download one. So right here you can see it says download a PDF template of invitation. So we're going to do that. It's going to pull this up. Now each browser is different in how you can actually pull this off onto your desktop, but I am going to use what Safari does, which is it's going to save it to my downloads, which you can see it bounce over here. I'm now going to pull this document out of my downloads onto my desktop, and then I am going to now open up Microsoft Word. I'm going to choose a new document. Let's choose that document. So I have my new document here, and I'm going to insert an image. But before we insert the image of the invitations we just downloaded, we first need to get rid of the margins, which, as you can see up here, are in these blue highlighted areas. And you simply just drag those margins to the edges of the paper to eliminate them. And then we're going to grab these ones over here and eliminate those as well. So we have no margins. Okay, and now we're ready to insert an image. Okay, so we're going to go up to Insert a Photo and a Picture from File, which is on our desktop right here. We're going to insert this image. And make sure, now that we've gotten to this point, that in your image you select your image here, and then you'll have options in your Word to select the type of text wrapping that it will do. And we're going to want to make sure that we want this to go behind the text so that we don't have any of the problems that come from when you insert a text box and it starts shifting the image around. Okay, so now we're going to go to Layout, and we are going to insert a new text box. I'm first going to zoom in just a little bit here, 125%. And we're going to insert a new text box. So we come over here to Host, and we put a new text box. And I'll just put text here. I'm going to make this 10-point font, okay, so that it can fit. Now I'm going to take this font and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it right here, and then I'm going to reposition this one and then drag this over to my edges, and I'm going to do the same thing over again. I'm going to copy that one down here, so I'm going to copy this down here, adjust my spacing a little bit. And I'm going to add one more text box down here next to consultant and adjust my spacing there as well. Now, as you can see, I was able to create the text boxes for each one for the host, where, time, date, and consultant. Now there's 3 other spots that we need to fill, so you simply just need to copy each one and then, oops. Looks like my image shifted a little bit there. Let's move it back. This may happen to you. And let's paste those in. Now, an easier way to do this than to cut and paste is to actually grab each one of those text boxes and simply by using your Option key, grab and drag those over, and they will actually copy those right across. And I can do that 3 times. Down here, and then again over here. And as you can see now, I can go into each one of these and put in my own information. For instance, if this was JEM was the host, I would put in JEM. I would say where this is at, my house, and so on and so forth. And you can go in and fill in those information, and then you can simply send that to print. Save your document and then send it to print so that you will be able to have your own invitations. And so that is how you are able to input your own information through Microsoft Word. And I hope this was very helpful to all of you. So click on the invitations below that you would like to download and then replay this tutorial to learn again on how to input your own data, your own name and information into a Word document on our invitations. Hope everybody has a wonderful day.